how to set up Xbox Series X for the very first time. So the very first thing that you need to do is obviously connect your console, right? So first of all, connect it to the power cable to your Xbox and plug it into power outlet. Then you need to connect to HDMI cable to your Xbox and your TV in order to connect your Xbox and your TV. Then from that, you can turn on your Xbox. Press the X button on your controller. The Xbox logo will simply light up just like this. Then you can simply select your language and region. Then from there, you can now start connecting to your internet. So you can either use your Ethernet cable or connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then you can now start signing up to your account. Simply click on add a new, and then you can sign up to your accounts. You can sign up with your Microsoft account, or you can create a new account if you don't have one, obviously. Then from there, you can now choose your settings. You can choose your power mode. It would be like instant on or energy saving, and you can also like customize other settings like your TV options, preferences, and etc, right? So after doing that, you would need to now install updates. Your Xbox will actually be checked for updates, and you should be like waiting a while for the until the updates are downloaded and installed. Then finally, you'll be able to set up your preferences. You can set your home Xbox, which would be optional, or you can choose your privacy and online safety settings, and you can also like link your mobile app, which is absolutely optional too. So after doing that, you can now start exploring Xbox Game Passes. So there could be hundreds of games that you can discover on Xbox. You can also like join Xbox Game Pass to start playing, and that's all you need to do. Now you can start to play on your Xbox. Your Xbox X series is all set, and now you can press the Xbox button and start playing through your controller. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.